Motion tracking on CapCut. Alright, so first of all, what you want to do is import your video. But before we go any further, make sure to hit down below to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on these useful contents. Alright, let's begin. Once you've imported your video, as you can see, I have a simple video right here. What you want to do first is head over to text and add a text. So what you want to add on your text is a simple dot, and you want to increase its size. So you can go on styles and increase the size of the dot, or you can just do it by increasing this box right here. And once you increase the size of the dot, what you want to do is change the color of the dot so that it is visible throughout the video. So I'm just going to make it this bright purple color. And once you do this, just tap on OK. And make sure that this dot goes to the end of the video, so drag it till the end. And now what you want to do is just tap on the video and then add this keyframe on the first part of the video. And as you go along, you can keep adding the keyframe. So you can just zoom in and make it so that the ball follows the dot. So you can go slowly or you can do it quickly depending on the speed of your video. So you can just go frame by frame so that the camera follows the ball like so. And you can do this for different angles like this, and you can keep doing it, or you can put in as many dots as you want. And finally, once you're done, tap on OK. And once you do this throughout your video, your ball will be tracked. Alright, so once you do this, just go back and play the video like so. Now the ball is being followed throughout the video. And finally, remove this dot. You can delete this and then export the video. If you found the video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I will see you guys on the next one.